Hello YouTube, how to protect your pet from ticks. In the warm season, tick activity increases, so it is very important to protect four-legged animals from these parasites. Eichstad ticks are very dangerous because they carry babesiosis, aerlisiosis, borreliosis, anaplasmosis. It is necessary to treat both dogs and cats all year round, even if the pet does not go outside. Treating Fluffy is much easier than treating these serious diseases. The methods of protection are varied, it all depends on the ease of use and the lifestyle of the animal. Drops at the withers. There are drops with a repellent effect, in which ticks die without biting the animal. There are also drops with a cricidal action, in which ticks die during a bite. Drops are valid for 21-28 days. After which it is necessary to repeat the treatment again. Advocate, Advantix, Bravecto, Stronghold, Frontline, Vector 3D. Tablets. Tablets have only a cricidal action for 28-90 days. Advantage, Simparica, Bravecto, Nexcrit, Nexcrit Spectra. Collars. Collars begin to work 24 hours after putting on a pet. Validity, from 1 to 3 months. Bolfo, Foristo, kill ticks. Before processing, be sure to read the instructions, since the dosage of the drug is calculated by the weight of the animal. Please consult your veterinarian for the choice of drug. The product for dogs should not be used on cats as it can be fatal. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.